Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video, basically, where I'm gonna be doing something different. Instead of making a YouTube shorts like I usually do, I am going to make a video where I rebuild the Oakland A's. If you want to see more of these rebuilding videos, subscribe. So anyway, basically, y'all know the Oakland A's suck, okay? If you look down there, 30th rank, 30th contact, 18th power, 30th pitching, 30th defense, and 25th in speed. That's absolutely terrible. And it makes it even worse that they just made the playoffs in 2020, 2021, something like that. Back when they had Matt Olson and Matt Chapman, and I mean, they have no competition in their. They have no chance. The Astros won the World Series and last season and are amazing. The Mariners are really good. Well, the Angels and Rangers are decent, but the A's have like no chance. So this is not going to be any other rebuild you may watch. This is going to be like a realistic kind of rebuild instead of like the other ones where like guys like get like Shohei Ohtani and Mike Trout all in the same season and like the same off season. So that this rebuild's not gonna be like that. It's gonna be a lot different than that. So I'm gonna try to get them at least in competition for the playoffs in like the next 5 seasons in this game. While the A's probably won't be good for another 5 seasons. So let's look at the roster. Actually, maybe not the roster. Let's look at the pitching rotation. So first we have Paul Blackburn. Oh my gosh, this falls. Hurts to see. We have Shion Taro Fujinami, who I think they moved. Yeah, he's a relief pitcher, so he got moved. They have someone. They have Dalton Jeffries, James Caprellin, who absolutely sucks, Kyle Moeller, Ken Wallachuk. He's like the only guy in your life who's actually doing something. Sam Ball, actually a starter. So I'm gonna put, I don't know actually. I'm not sure. I think I'll put him, play some Jeffries and Danny Jimenez. Oh gosh, this guy. Chad Smith, Drew Steckenrider, Domingo Aquivito, Zach Jackson, Trevor May. His bullpen absolutely sucks. The lineups, for whatever reason, these are empty. Chase Peterson, Tony Kemp, Alemus Diaz, that's the only good player on this team. Seth Brown, Jesus Aguilar, JJ Bleday, and Moreno. Like the bench, we have Esteury Ruiz, Hill. I mean, you can see from the numbers that this guy's just gonna be, the only thing he's gonna be doing for us is stealing bases. Brett Rooker, who's doing actually amazing in real life. I hope he does good in this game. Carlos Perez, Jordan Diaz, Nick Allen, Shea Langeliers. So I'll fill out some of these spots, and Manny Pena. Actually, since he's hurt right now, so I have him in Class A, I'll probably have him like that till maybe a little bit past the All-Star break. So, put Langeliers at catcher. We'll put Rooker there. I know where Ruiz starts, I just don't remember where. So Seth Brown's good, Days get well. Actually, I'm gonna put Ruiz right here. Have him lead off. We're gonna have Brett Rooker here. Aguilar, Langeliers. That's pretty good. I'll just fill out the ones with a no DH. I think I'll do like the same kind of format here. So there. Oh, whoops. Where's Langoliers? Something like that. Yeah, that works. And then like the same, I guess, format that we had before. So that's good. And so basically, I already have the scouting, because as you see, we have like no starters. I already did cut some people off the 40 man because I wanted to create the actual team that they have right now. Like, I mean, the only people we could possibly use for the future is Luis Mendina, Gunnar Hoagland, Ryan Kuskic, and maybe Kyle Moeller, but I highly doubt it. Leaf pitchers, we have absolutely nobody. Maybe Fujinami, but I highly doubt it. Catchers, we got Langoliers and Soderstrom. First base, we have, well, Aguilar, but nobody else. Second base, we have Muncy, so I hope he does somewhat good. Actually, I'm gonna put him, I don't know why I did not do this already. I'm gonna put him in Double A, just to get him some playing time. Third base, we have Kevin Smith, Jeremy Ironman, and Zach Geloff. I'm actually gonna put Ironman here, because we need to fill up more in AAA. Shortstop, we have Davidson and Robert Hewison. Left field, we got, well, Deichmann. Center field, we got Blade. And right field, we have nobody. So, like, I feel like all we really need is starters. Like, what is our projected revenue? $48 million. They say it's gonna go down to $16 million. The sad thing about this team is that more than 90% of the players on their team right now, besides maybe Paul Blackburn, Seth Brown, like, these 5 and, like, a few, like, 2 more down here, didn't even play above AAA last season. That's how bad these guys are. So, I think I'm just gonna, like, do this in spaces. So, like, I'll simulate until, until these guys are done with the, scouting, and then, oh wait, what is this? Right command. That's odd. Oh, I have set scouting on auto. Whoops, I did not mean to do that. Okay, what did I have this on first? Is it clutch, I think? Catcher? No, we'll do left-handers now. So, no, not velocity. I just put clutch in all of them because it really doesn't matter that much. So the left-handers will take us along, so simulate a week. Look at our horrific start. This is already amazing. Okay, there's still, so let this series go by. Gosh, we're doing so bad already. Okay, so now some of them are done, so we'll do catchers now. Oops. So we'll go past here for catchers. I think that'd be good. Let's look. Yeah, that's good. We'll do outfielders now. Just for a little bit, probably till the end of the series. Oh, the White Sox want to trade us. Seth Brown. Oh, Wes Cash. Well, how is Seth Brown doing? Not good at all. Yeah, that is not good. What's his WAR so far? -3. I mean, if I really, yeah, his attributes are going down too. I could definitely do this trade, and I'm definitely considering it. Screw it, we'll do it. We could bring West Cap up already if we wanted to. Well, Adams to 49 first. Let's see. There's someone else we can maybe bring up that. Oh wow. I don't think Soderstrom's ready yet. Oh my gosh. Bro's on fire. Holy crap. Chill out. Get him at double A. There's not really anyone I would consider bringing up. Maybe Connor Capel. I'll just bring him up, I guess. And then for this, I'll just put... I guess I'll put him in the lineup. Just because I have nobody else to put in. Yeah. So, great. Oh, wait. First base? Oh. Well, I don't think we have anyone who can play first base. Oh, Brett Ricker can play first base, so that works out. So, what was I gonna do to again? Like, here? Okay, I don't care. Alright, so they should be done now. Well, close enough. I'm not gonna go very long for infield, because we have a lot of infield talent. I'll go to around here, and then I'll search for more pitchers. So now, we're still doing it. So this time, I gotta make this none. Let's look at the pitchers. Let's look at Todd Carter. He's from Kentucky. I've seen Kentucky in a Central recently. Okay. Pedro Cabrera. Because we have, I think it's like the 16th pick in the first round. Maybe. I'm not sure. So we'll sign these. We'll simulate like these just a few days. The others still looking at them, okay. Okay, so now they're done. It looks like a lot of these guys that I scouted are gone. So that's kind of the problem. I think we're just gonna need to assign these people pitchers. Find, because we need to find pitchers, and like, the thing that sucks about MLB The Show, well, just MLB The Show 22 in general, is that once, like, it's annoying, because, like, once, like, you're past, like, pick 10, all the really good players are gone. There's, like, none left. It kind of sucks. These are the last two I'm going to scout, and we're going to simulate to the draft. We're absolutely horrific. One of our starters is 0-9. Okay, we're here. So we're just going to simulate, we're going to look who we have. You have the 18th pick. See, this is what I mean. Look what's left. Oh. Hello. Aaron Valentine. Okay, he's a lefty, a closer. We actually kind of need a relief pitcher. I think I'll take Aaron. So he could be up here in like the next few years or so, possibly. Next year we'll most likely get the first overall pick. Now it's time for shots of the dark. Let's see, Shea McHenry looks pretty good, so we'll draft him. Okay, we get one of these picks. I mean, oh wow. Phil Relly. Oh, this guy looks pretty good. We'll draft him. Round 3. Pedro Cabrera is still here, so I'll just draft him, I guess. We don't really need anyone for third base. Now, a first baseman. Ooh, this guy looks amazing. Phil Eden? Aiden? I don't know. It's a weird name. Here we go. Keith Perez looks pretty good. Just don't have any scouting progress on them. I can't really tell if they're going to be good or not. And then Jack McGee, they take way too long. Just use Sean Freeman. Okay, that's the draft. We'll look at the picks. Okay, so Aaron's is 92 potential and 68 overall, so we're gonna sign him. Shea McHenry, I mean, we need a relief pitcher. He could probably immediately join our team. Phil Riley, dude, he's pretty good. And then the rest of these, I'll sign Keith, but other than that, I don't think I'm gonna sign any of these guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna sign. I'll sign Cabrera, mainly because of the contact numbers. He'll be a DH for us soon. But that's all for this part of the video. We are 15-43 at the draft. Hope you all enjoyed. See you in the next video. Bye.